DK Shivakumar says that notices are going to be issued to those who say anything about power tussle.
Well, that's right. In fact, we're also now seeing notices being issued to both Congress leaders here, former MP L.R. Shivramegowda, as well as the Kunigal MLA H.D. Ranganath, for having made statements here which the party, of course, claims, which the disciplinary committee of the party has now said are anti-party statements that's brought embarrassment and also isn't in line with the discipline of the party. While we're seeing those two notices there being issued, the fact is that MLAs, of course, from both camps here continue to make statements like this, despite the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister saying that it would be the High Command's decision that would, of course, ultimately be final. The fact is that this is a debate now that refuses to die down in the state.
Now we've heard Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge himself saying that the matter is not even in his hands. It is to be decided by High Command, leaving it open for anybody to guess that where the decision is pending right now. But when it comes to this notice being issued, am I right in saying that since DK Shivakumar himself heads the Karnataka unit of Congress, he's the one issuing notice to his supporters?
Well, these notices have been issued by the disciplinary committee now of the Congress party. Remember, of course, the chairman of the disciplinary committee is senior Congress leader, Mr. Rahman Khan. Of course, it's come under his aegis that these notices have been issued. But like you rightly pointed out, of course, given that the Deputy Chief Minister earlier had reacted saying notices would be issued to them, the fact is it wouldn't be wrong now to say that the Congress party's high command, of course, has asked for these notices to be issued, given that leaders have continuously been making statements now that are bringing the party embarrassment in the state.
All right. One really wonders that when will the High Command in Congress actually get in command and issue orders to bring clarity to this matter. That's all we could pack for you in this segment. Stay tuned for all the latest on the other side.